What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna have to undo a modification on the truck. Now, as you guys can see, the window tint on this truck is extremely dark. It's actually 5% is what I found out, and the way I found that out is I got pulled over by a cop. He didn't really like that you couldn't see inside of it. He also didn't like the fact that I had the front windshield tinted and the eyebrow being down so low. But I'm gonna leave that stuff alone. I'm gonna take the window tint off of these side windows and off of the back window here. And my idea here is that I'm gonna go ahead and once the window tint's removed, I'm gonna leave these back windows, these two back door windows and this back window are gonna stay the factory tinted glass. And I'm gonna have a tint company here in town match these two front windows to the back factory tinted glass. Now, the factory tinted glass on this thing is a little bit darker than what the legal limit is. Legal limit's 35% here where I live. Factory tint's a little bit darker than that, but I'm gonna run with it and I think it'll be just fine. So once I get that all, so I'm gonna get all this tint removed. Tomorrow it's going to the tint shop to get some new tint put on it, and hopefully I'll be in the clear. Holy cow, we got a huge hornet buzzing around here. I don't like that. Those things are dangerous. Oh my God, you see that thing? Whoa, he's huge. I'm not all about that. Anyway, that's the plan, guys. We're gonna get the tint removed. We're gonna get new tint put on it tomorrow. It's gonna be the same video for you guys. We're gonna check it out and see how nice it looks, see how easy it is to see through it once this is all finished. Hopefully that'll satisfy the cops and they won't want to pull me over anymore, because I'm really getting tired of running around town with my windows rolled down so I won't get pulled over. Because I'm, like you guys can probably imagine, with this humidity, it's a nightmare running around town with your windows down. I'd rather have that AC. Maybe I'm just a wuss, but hey guys, it's hot out. I like the AC. I want my windows up, so we're gonna get this done, get it right. Hopefully the cops won't mind it afterwards. So this here is what we're gonna be using to remove the window tint. Nice little steamer. I've already got it plugged in, it's warming up. Once this light goes out, I don't know if you guys can see it, but once this little light goes out, we can go ahead and start using it. So we're gonna pop the door open. I'm gonna get the window rolled down just a little bit so we can get to the top of the window, get the edge of the film, and we'll get started. Hot. Super hot like this, in peeling it off, it won't leave any of the glue and I won't have to scrape the windows. I'll probably still scrape them anyways, but I'm trying to minimize how much I have to scrape off. Seems to be working pretty well. The steamer gets it hot pretty fast. I like it. There we go. Door number one finished. A little bit of glue to take off in a few spots, but not bad. Now we got to move on to that door, that door, that door, and the back window. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but we're gonna get it done. Check it out, you guys. I turned on the rear defroster and just let it heat up the whole window at once. Man, it worked out amazing. I don't even have to use the steamer at all. Just take it nice and slow so it doesn't try to leave any of the glue, because even though it got plenty hot, sometimes if you go too fast, it'll leave some of the glue residue behind. So just peeling nice and slow, and back window's gonna be off in just a few minutes. Probably less than that, probably more like 30 seconds or so. Oh, just over there. I can't believe it actually made it that easy. That's insane. I just let the rear defroster run for like maybe a good 5 minutes and it just peels right off. Nice little hack. There we go. Just like that. Got this little corner right here, but that's nothing. Boom, just like that, the back window's done. Got one little tiny bit of glue right there, but other than that, it looks great. Check it out, guys. 83 feels like 89 today where I'm at. It's so warm. This is without even putting the steamer to it. The heat, or the sun came out from behind the clouds and it really heated up the truck, especially the windows. But check that out. I can peel it a little slow, but if I'm careful, I can do it without even steaming it. I thought that was pretty crazy. I just wanted to show you guys. But just in case it tries to do the glue thing on me, I'm gonna go ahead and steam it anyway, and then peel it the rest of the way off. But I just thought that was pretty crazy. It's actually cooler today It's actually cooler today than it has been in several days, and tomorrow it's gonna get back up in like the 90s. But that's pretty wild. It's hot enough that you can literally just peel it off there without even hitting it with the steamer. Pretty crazy. Check it out. That one was twice as fast as the front one. That is so cool. And just like that, all the window tint is off. These windows are rolled down right now, so you can't really see. But I got all the tint off. Now I just need to scrape the glue off of all the windows. And this one here was the worst one of them all for some reason. It left a lot of glue on it. The other ones didn't really leave hardly any, so let's get that cleaned up and take it down to the tint shop. All right, guys, so the truck's back from the tint shop, and as you guys can probably tell, it's a little easier to see through the truck now. I mean, now you can clearly see through it. Before you couldn't see through it at all. And the front now matches the back factory tinted glass, like I was saying. So that's what we got going on there. Hopefully the cops will not have a problem with it now and they won't pull me over anymore. I did only get a warning the one time, but if they pull me over again, they're probably gonna give me a ticket. And I think it's like over $100. So I didn't want that to happen. So that's what we did, guys. We got some new window tint. It looks really good. On the inside, it's super easy to see through out. I mean, it was before. It was really easy to see it out before, but now it's even way brighter in here. I'm not sure that I like that because the inside of the truck gets pretty hot now compared to what it used to. But it's gonna be all right. I don't want the cops pulling me over. I really don't like having tickets. It's not good on your insurance either, and we just don't need all that. I mean, I honestly did like it better the other way. Like I said, it made the truck be a lot cooler, especially when it's like 100 degrees out like it is today, like it has been for like a week now. It's just a nightmare. I don't even like being outside when it's like this, but we had to get the job done. We got it done. It looks great. And yeah, I don't think we'll have any issues now. So I think that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. So thanks for stopping in. If you enjoyed today's content, smash that like button, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And just like that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.